Hello everybody and welcome to this new installment of the Ron Paul Curriculum Public Speaking course, and today I have my sister here with me. Her name is Abby. She's amazing. And she is going to be asking me some live questions that pertain to my number 7 speech, well the 7th speech that I ever posted on this channel. I will put a link to it in the description so you can go watch that first if you want, or you can wait till afterwards. Honestly, I don't mind. Just for context, it was like random facts about sparrows, so just like color, sizes, where they come from, stuff like that. And Abby has some beautiful questions for me, so would you like to ask one?
My first question is, you mentioned how the colors were different among genders, but is there any size or weight difference typically between them?
Typically the male is usually a little bit bigger and usually a little bit heavier, but that, again, it can vary because there are like so many different types of sparrow.
But typically...
Typically the females have duller colors, are a little bit smaller, and are slightly more agile.
And then my second question is, because you mentioned many places have them, are there any places that are without them other than Antarctica or something?
Really, I think that's the only place where they don't exist. Because again, there are so many different species of sparrow, and they are very, very well-adapted birds, where like they can basically live in any condition. So like you'll find them in Canada and some areas of Russia, like Africa. There are African sparrows. There's all these different kinds, and you can find them anywhere. Especially like close to like an urban setting, so like you won't find as many sparrows in the country as you will in the city, for example. So there's that for you. Do you have anything else you'd like to ask?
No.
Okay. Oh. That's it. That's all we have. This is probably one of the shortest videos I've ever done. Thank you, Abby, for being
the shortest human in the world.
Okay. Alright, so I will see you all next week. I love you guys. Stay safe. Thank you, Abby, for coming on. You're amazing.
Wear your seatbelt.
Yeah, wear your seatbelt. And I will see you all next week for the next video. Goodbye.